Guys, this is your tech buddy Vipul, and today I have finally got the good news related to my YouTube channel. So after a long time of wait and 3 continuous requests of the AdSense, this is what I have got. The AdSense verification pin code. So I am going to show you the whole process of AdSense account being activated. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see I've got this mail yesterday only, but I was busy in some work, so I didn't record the video yesterday. So I'll show it to you today. You can see it has been sent by the Google AdSense, and this is my third request to the AdSense people. There might be some disturbance because of which I didn't get the previous 2 mail, and this was my last request to them. And if had it been not reached to me, then I will have to go through some other procedure to verify my Google AdSense. So let's see. I'll clear this. Actually inside this there is a 5 to 6 digit, I think 6 digit verification code which I have to enter in my AdSense account, because of which my AdSense account will get activated and my monetization procedure will be successful. I was waiting for this for this mail for the past 2 to 3 months, and I can't express my feelings. Finally I've got this. So let's open this and see what's inside. Okay, I have to tear it from this side also. So yes, here's the pin. This is my pin, and here are some instructions which are given by the AdSense people. I'll have to log into this email using my password, and then go to payments, and step 3 is account information, then click verify address, and then I have to enter this pin and click on submit pin. So the next step will be I'll be showing you the live procedure of my account being activated. Move on to my Google AdSense account, and let's see what happens when I enter my verification pin. So go to the address of Google AdSense. I'll now sign in. I want to verify the pin. So this is my account. Here the message is displayed that your ad units are not displayed because you haven't yet verified your address. So I'll click on the here I will be getting the option to enter my pin. Oh yes, here it is. To verify your address, please enter your pin as provided in the card. So I will now enter the pin 7. So I'll now click on the submit pin button. Let's see what happens. So friends, you can see that my account has been verified, as the notification which was there in red before is no longer here in this part. So now let's check my payments option. What are the changes there? Okay, yes, now you can see there is a message that you will send your payment once your payment threshold is reached. The payment threshold is $100. Okay, now there is no notification related to the verification pin. I think my account has been verified now. You need to enter the bank details here, which I have already done. And yes, at the end of the month, nearly between 23rd or 24th, the payment will be given to the account holder. So that's it. you have seen how my account has been verified. So just go on, make your Google AdSense account and request the verification pin and earn as much as you can. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If this video has cleared all the facts related to an AdSense account being verified, then give it a like, and yes, do subscribe for such upcoming videos. Thank you.